Hello everyone, great to see you again. Today we are going to talk about why prototypes are crucial before mass production and how they help with product validation and optimization. Take the automotive industry as an example. Mass production car parts usually involves two stages. The first stage, design validation, mold development and sample production, takes about 3 months. The second stage, mold adjustments, pilot production, and full-scale manufacturing, takes another 6 months. If design issues are found later in the process, fixing them can take an extra 2 to 4 months, and mold modifications alone can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. This can cause production delays and increase market risks. That's why early-stage prototyping is so important. It doesn't just validate design concepts, it also allows for strength testing, assembly verification, and functional evaluation to ensure manufacturability. One of our clients, an industrial automation equipment manufacturer, was preparing for mass production of a high-precision aluminum parts measuring 150 x 200 x 50 mm. But during the designing phase, they faced two major challenges. First, the thin wall areas were only 1.5 mm thick, which could cause deformation during machining. Second, the part had high heat dissipation requirements and needed to maintain stable performance even after 5,000 hours of continuous operation. We made two prototype versions for the client, one with 6061 aluminum and one with 7075 aluminum, using 5-axis CNC machining. We controlled cutting forces to keep the thickness tolerance of the thin wall areas within plus or minus 0.05 mm. In the end, the customer used finite elements analysis and the real-world testing to find that 7075 aluminum version had 20% higher structural strength than 6061, and 30% less deformation in thin wall areas and the thermal conductivity of 130 watts per meter per Kelvin, which meet the heat dissipation requirements of the equipment. Based on this, they decided to use 7075 aluminum for mass production. This is why prototypes are irreplaceable in product development. If you are interested in CNC machining and rapid prototyping, follow our channel for more industry insights. See you in the next video.